Something lurks in the forest, mimicking voice, body, and mind. I'm one of the few who have seen it and survived. It started on my first trip to Hope Valley a couple years ago. I was just a ranger on the force, no big deal. I had a cabin with a few others and didn't mind me much. They always kept it inside. Talk to me, mimicking my exact pitch. The conversation was sinister. Talk to me, mimicking my exact pisses, like I was being circled and trapped. Are you listening, Jess? Every winter, I'm now weary of going too far from the homestead, in fear of the spirit of the woods coming to replace me.
Is that Winnebago thing you were talking about?
It's Wendigo, and no, that's something different. Almost wish this was about that. It'd probably be a better story.
Well, she said it's real, so I don't know.
Peter, put the phone away. I have a headache.
You always have a headache.
Peter, come on.
Are you fucking delusional, Jess? You haven't drank water all day today. And then you expect me to have sympathy for you? After what you've told me?
You guys are acting really weird. It's a little unbearable.
All right, folks. Just trying to fit the vibe. Wasn't working out. I'm retarded. So, why don't we try telling some personal stories? Emily, I'm sure you have one to share. John, you are the horror connoisseur, so you might have
I'm really not in the mood anymore.
That's interesting, seeing as you just mentioned you wanted to make more fun.
I am curious to hear from Jess. You talked today, no? Tell us that story. This is good. This is good.
Be even better tonight.
You hear that? Honestly, that could be us, you know. Jess, can you hear me? Because I feel like you're just brushing me off.
Peter.
Oh, now you want to talk to me. Get rid of it.
Grow up. 2 months, Peter. I don't know you. You drained the life out of me. Look, all you've ever given me is right here. I'm keeping it.
I'm confused. Drain the life out of you? I don't even know what that means.
Emily told me you would try to spin this.
You told them? I might as well just fucking kill myself then. Hey! You bitch!
Yeah. We talked. I don't know.
You don't know? Jess, that's a pretty important thing not to remember.
John. Look at her.
You know what, Jess? Fuck it. Make it more unbearable.
Make it scary.
Emily? Emily? Emily, please.
Jess, can you hear me?
This is good.
I don't know you.
Oh, now you want to talk to me. You bitch. Did you hear that?
All you've ever given me is right here. I'm keeping it. You're keeping it. You're keeping it.
Probably not even mine anyway.
Of course, when I got back to you guys, everyone was fine. Peter, I shouldn't have said those things to you. You don't drain the life out of me. In fact, you offer me comfort.
Are you serious?
You wanted me to scare you. Do you like my story?
No. I was joking. This issue is serious, Jess.
I don't understand that.
You know, I was wrong. You guys are perfect for each other.
John.
We need sleep. All of us.
Hi.
You don't sound normal.
I want you, Peter. That's all that matters.
No, Jess. That was fucked.
Peter, I did what you wanted. I got rid of it, Peter. I got rid of it for you. I love you, Peter. I love you.